You want to say we're going to a castle?
Can you say it in German? He's like, no.
We are going to see a castle.
Woo woo! It looks so ominous with the dark green clouds.
See it, Patrick? Yeah. Cool, huh?
Okay, so we made it to the parking lot and now we have to hike up to the mountain. So hopefully we don't get rained on, as it has rained recently. Look at, hopefully we can get student tickets. Look at the, it's a real moat. Why is that crazy? Okay, so we have a map. And this is what it looks like from the outside. A better picture. But, Marissa, what do we want to see first?
The crowns.
The crowns. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Wheeling around.
That looks horrible to put on. Oh my gosh. Oh geez, look at the holy crap.
Oh my goodness.
Look at out this window.
Wow.
Oh geez, the water is running down. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna leave this way. That's what has to be left anyway. Oh, this is fun.
Zopf muss hinein in meinen Topf und eine Wimper von der Spinne tanzt da oben auf.
Quicker! Quick! Before it starts going again. This is insane. Alright, saying goodbye to the castle. Housed us well. Well, everything's really green now. The fog. Oh wow. The storm right there. Bro.
Oh, the lighting's actually good.
I know. Right? You can kind of see the entire castle area. And there's pretty windy, so 10 out of 10 would recommend coming with better weather.